Today we are going to talk about active transport mechanism. Active transport mechanism is the active pumping of drug molecules. Active pumping of drug molecules through a membrane against a concentration gradient which requires carrier proteins and energy to function. So, active transport mechanism of the drugs. We are discussing active transport mechanisms of the drug. So, active transport is the mechanism in which there is active pumping of drug molecule occurs. Active pumping of drug molecules occurs through a membrane. There is a porous or there is a cell membrane or there is a membrane through which there is active pumping of the drug molecule against concentration gradient from lower to the higher. That means it's a upward movement. There is a active pumping of drug molecule from lower concentration to the higher concentration, that means against a concentration gradient through a membrane, and that requires carrier proteins. It's a carrier mediated process. It's a carrier mediated transport mechanism, and it also requires ATP. It also requires carrier proteins because it is the process which is against the concentration gradient, that means from low to the higher concentration through a porous membrane. On the basis of energy utilization, active transport is divided into primary active transport and secondary active transport. On the basis of energy utilization, active transport is divided into primary active transport and secondary active transport. So what is meant by primary active transport? Primary active transport in which there is a transporters or we can say carrier proteins. In active transport mechanism, transporters are nothing but the carrier proteins which binds ATP directly, and energy is directly obtained by hydrolysis of ATP. Transporters are the carrier proteins binds to the ATP directly and energy is directly obtained by the hydrolysis of ATP. So these transporters belongs to the ATP binding cassette transporters or ABC transporters, or it is also called as ATP binding cassette transporters. Now the examples of primary active transport are the sodium potassium ATPases, hydrogen potassium ATPases, calcium ATPases. All these are the primary active transport. Why primary? Because these transporters binds to the ATP directly and they obtain energy directly by the hydrolysis of ATP, and they all belongs to the ATP binding cassette transporters or ABC transporters. Now secondary active transport mechanism. Secondary active transport mechanism, the energy to pump one solute is derived from downhill movement of another solute. Means here there is a uphill movement. As you can see, active transport means against a concentration gradient there is uphill movement, and this uphill movement is mediated by carrier proteins and it also requires energy. But in secondary active transport, what they are saying, the energy to pump one solute, the energy obtained to pump one solute is derived from the downhill movement of the another solute. There is a downhill movement of the another solute from which energy is generated. Now secondary active transport is divided into symport and antiport. Symport means co-transport. As the name suggests, symport, when both molecules moves in the similar direction or in the same direction, that is called as the co-transport or symport. Both molecules moves in the same direction, that is called as the symport. Examples are sodium glucose transporter in the intestine, sodium iodide transport in the thyroid. These are the examples of symport or co-transport. Exactly opposite antiport or exchange transport, when both molecule moves in the opposite direction, that is called as antiport or exchange transport. So there is a sodium calcium exchanger in the myocardium is the best example of antiport or exchange transport. So basically symport and antiport, these are the secondary active transport mechanism in which there is the energy to pump one solute is derived from the downhill movement of the another solute, and two mechanisms like symport and antiport. So this is all about active transport mechanisms.